there, welcome back to BitFocus. As we have learned about classes and objects in our previous video, so you can find it in channel BitFocus and playlist. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to put comments in our channel below any video you want. So today in this session we will learn something new, that is Python modules. What is a module? A module is a file containing a set of functions or variables which we include the functions or variables in our application. So there are two types of module. One is built-in and the other is user-defined. Built-in module is coming already with Python, or built-in module is a module which is already existing in Python, and the user-defined module is created by a developer or by a programmer. A programmer create a module and then we can use it in our application. So how to create a module? It is very easy. You create a file with extension .py like this ordinary files, and then we create some functions or variables, and after a while we can use it or import it in our application. So for example, this is a file .py, or this is a module, and we create many functions, variables, anything we need, and then we can import it in our application. We can import these functions or variables in our application. For example, we import function 1, or the first function, and also we can import the second function, as well as we can import the third function. So module is like this. And now we go to open PyCharm to have some examples about module. Now I open PyCharm and create a file. So Alt insert to create a new file. This is our application. The name is optional. And now we create a module. Alt insert. So module 1 .py is created in PyCharm. So it is module 1.py. It is our module, and I create a function here, say hello. For example, we pass a parameter to whom we should say hello. Print hello. We can concatenate this parameter. How are you? It is the second function. Sum. For example, we want to add two variables, a, b. These two numbers, integer or float, no matter. But first we should convert these variables into float, because we should allow the users to add two double or float numbers too, not only the integer. So how? A1, it is another variable I create here, float a. B1, it is another variable, float b. So first in here I have converted these two variables into float, and then assign them or save them into these variables, and now we return a1 plus b1. These are two functions which we have created in our module, and now we import them into another application. So this is how to import. It is very easy. Import the name of module. module 1. We have imported them, and now we can use them. First we should create a function main. It is better to create a function main function. We always can use the main function. So how? First, please use the name of your module, and then you see here they are coming here. Say hello, the first function, and sum, the second function. We use this first function. You see, it requires parameter. For example, for the name of a person, whom, for example, John. So now we run our program. I think okay, first we haven't called our function. Whenever you call your function, then this message or this program will be run. Main run from here first, run up. You say hello John, how are you? So it is very easy. And now we can also use the second function. How? Module sum. So we want to add two numbers. The first is float and the second can be an integer, but it is not printed. Why? Because it is here, as you see, it is returned, so it is not printed. So if we run, we cannot see the result. Why? Because it is returned, it is not printed. So we should print it manually here. Print, and then now you see the result. It is added together. These two numbers are added together. But you see, module is the prefix here. So first we should use the module name, and then but also we can put an alias here, or we can give our module a name here. How? As M1, for example. It is optional. You can give any alias you want. So now here we should put that M1. Now it is also the same as that, you see. But there is an easy way. Whenever you want to import all the functions or variables from your module, on that time there is a better way here. We can say from the module name, module 1, import all. What does it mean? It means that we want to import all the functions or variables from our module in this application or in this file. So now these are not required here, or we delete them because we do not need them anymore. So you see, the result is the same, but it is a better way, because we import all of them and we do not use anymore the name of our module. Okay, it is the best way. But please remember, we do not use only function in our module, or we do not create functions only in our module. We can also use variables like list 1. We can use a list here, list, dictionaries, anything. John 23, and we can like USA, it is the name. So how can we use print? Sorry, it is lowercase print. For example, list 1. So it is, and now again we use list 2. You see John is from USA because index 0 is John, and the last index or index 2 is the name of a country like USA, so John is from USA. Nice. And also we can import a built-in function. There is, as I told you, there are built-in modules in Python which are already existing with Python. So import platform. Platform is a built-in module in Python. Again we can print it here, built-in module. It's already coming with Python. Print platform.system. It is like our first example. It is the name of our module, and then it is the function we are calling from this built-in function. You see Windows. What does it mean? It means we are using Windows. If you are using Linux, so Linux is printed here. If you are using Mac, Mac is printed here. Because I'm using Windows, so Windows is coming here. I hope you have understood. Creating modules in Python is very easy. Please remember, first you create a file with .py extension, and you create any function variable you want, and then you import them in here. So that's all about module. Thank you very much. Please try not to forget to subscribe to our channel to get benefit from our new videos.